In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo.io. To get started, open HubSpot and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace or portal, especially if you manage more than one account. Taking a second to confirm this at the beginning can help you avoid connecting Apollo.io to the wrong HubSpot environment. Once you're inside HubSpot, head over to the marketplace. This is where HubSpot stores its available apps and integrations, and it's the place you'll use to connect third-party tools like Apollo.io. Depending on your screen layout, you may find the marketplace option in the main navigation or under the settings and app sections. If your interface looks slightly different, that's normal, since HubSpot can update its menu design over time. After opening the marketplace, use the search bar to look for Apollo.io. Type in the app name carefully so the correct integration appears in the results. When you see Apollo.io, select it to open the app listing. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the integration does, along with the permissions it may need to access your HubSpot data. From there, click Install. HubSpot will begin the connection process and may redirect you to a sign-in page for Apollo.io. At this point, log into your Apollo.io account to continue. Be sure to use the account you want tied to HubSpot, especially if your team uses multiple Apollo.io logins. During this process, you may be asked to approve access or confirm permissions. Read through those prompts carefully so you understand what information will sync between the two platforms. Once you complete the login and authorization process, the integration should be connected. If everything works correctly, HubSpot and Apollo.io will now be linked, allowing you to streamline how you manage contacts, prospecting activity, and related sales workflows across both tools. As a quick tip, after the installation is finished, it's a good idea to check that the integration appears in your connected apps list inside HubSpot. That gives you a simple way to confirm the setup was successful. If the app doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Apollo.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.